Welcome back to my YouTube channel Net Exponent. My name is Yashika. So today in this video I am going to discuss with you about a very important topic, and that is balance of payment. So just like you can get your bank statement wherein you get the details of all the transactions you did, whether it is your expense or your income, in the similar manner balance of payment is the bank statement of a country. So if a country makes any economic transaction with the rest of the world, that is the foreign countries, then the systematic record of all these economic transaction is called as balance of payment. So balance of payment can be for any individual, government body or company. See, for example, if I say I am an individual and I do suppose an investment in a country called US, right? So that transaction will be recorded in BOP. Or maybe for example, if my relative in US sends me a gift in India, then that will also be recorded in balance of payment, right? So this, the record of all these transactions is made by RBI in India, right? So let's understand what all are included in BOP, what are its components. So BOP consists of, the first account is trade account. Trade account means it includes all the visible items, which means it includes the import and export of goods, right? So that is why this account is also called as merchandise account, right? Because it includes only the visible items. So for example, if I say whatever amount is coming in our home country, जो पैसे आ रहे हैं, right? So that will be shown in credit side. जैसे आपके बैंक स्टेटमेंट में क्रेडिट डेबिट होता है, so whenever you get your salary, that is shown in the credit side. In the similar manner, if any amount, any capital you are receiving, then that will be shown in credit side. And whatever payment you are making, when the amount, the capital is going out of your home country, then that will be shown in the debit side. ये तो बहुत simple logic है जो आप अपनी बैंक स्टेटमेंट में भी देखते हो. So trade account includes all the visible items, import and export of all the visible item. So if the import of visible item is greater than the export of visible item, then that will be termed as trade deficit. Why? Because if your import is greater, that means that the capital which is going out of the home country is greater than what is coming in the home country. That means that your country is in trade deficit. Fine. So basically balance of payment, is a record of the capital which is going out and the capital which is coming in the home country, right? Second type of account is current account. So this current account includes trade account, plus there are two other things, that is invisible and unilateral transfer. So in current account you have trade account, but in addition to trade account you have two other things, that is invisible item and unilateral transfer, which means that current account includes the import and export of goods as well as services. Invisible item means all the services of service like tourism, travel. So all this is example of invisible items, plus unilateral transfer. Unilateral transfer means one-sided transaction. Suppose if I send a gift to my relative in US, then that is a unilateral transfer because I am not getting anything in return. It is just one-sided, right? So that is called as unilateral transfer. So all the import of goods and services, import and export of goods and services plus unilateral transfer is will fall under current account, right? The third type of account is capital account. Capital account means, suppose I gave you an example of investment. I made an investment abroad. So all the investments which we call as FDI or FPI you make outside India, or some person from outside make investment in India, or maybe a country borrows from abroad or lend to abroad, then all these will come under capital account, right? Okay, so when you include all these three accounts, then that is called as overall balance of payment, which means that if import is greater, then that means that there is balance of payment deficit. If capital which is coming inside our home country is more than what is going out, then that means we are balance of payment surplus, right? So there is one more component of BOP, that is official reserve account, which I will be covering in the next video. I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching.